Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we are going to change this right rear passenger side for the Lexus GS350. This is a 2007. As you can see, the link is broken right there. I'm going to remove the wheel with the wheel lock, and we're going to take it out. Hopefully get more room to get into that piece.
屋顶还是在
减速，
屋顶还在聊，它会
减速。哎呦，我在弄一个光。
它这个为什么要那个 key 那个轮胎的 lock 啊？不用吧？
有啊，才不会被人家偷。
对，我是说你刚才问他，你现在应该不用到嘛？
有啊，要把那个 rim 拿下来。
哦，这还要把 rim 拿下来啊？
因为我们有那个 under 那个 ramp 啊。
因为你 rim 拿下来再转紧就这个机器转向能不能让机器
去休息吧，我看着就好。
没有问题。想偷学？
那你这样太冷，过来这边，不要晒太阳。
哎，要维他命 C。
维他命 D 就是 C。
可以 C D 再讲。已经没有那个 lock。
Oh my god！ 这要怎么帮忙一下去？
没有看到要推哪里呀？
Spray the penetrate。 So it kind of stinks.
Can you wear your mask?
Uh,
Away from you though.你这到底是太薄了呢。
No, I probably need just to hold this side.
因为它要一个转一个把它固定。
Yeah, I was gonna get loosened.
I don't know how you figure all this out by yourself. It's scary. It's like crazy. You got got boy.
OK， got it。哎，我松掉了。哎呀呀呀！好，可以了。
好怕这受伤。
哎，里面那个，哦，有一个。
Alright, so taking out the inner nut is the 17 millimeter. We borrowed some tool from the neighbor, and we insert the Allen key in the middle while we are tightening that nut. Okay, and now I'm trying to jack up rear control arm so I could align the long bolt down there. So this is my setup. You need to jack up where the suspensions or the shocks at or the spring, so you can line up this bolt right here or the hole. So yeah, make sure you use a 17 millimeter for that, or else you're gonna strip the bolt. Let me see if I can insert the bolt in there now. Might use a hammer to hit it a little bit. This side is in. Can we see? So it seems I need to make a lower. There you go. Okay, tighten up the nut. Anyway, we put everything back already. Everything looks good. So hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.